What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing something for the first time. So if you guys want to see what I'm going to be doing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, if you watched the last video, you guys know that I just received a button maker in the mail because that's something that I wanted to add to my business. So today I'm going to be making my first button for an order, but I don't have long, and the lady's going to pick it up here shortly, and I haven't even had a chance to practice. So you guys are going to witness me making my first button, and you're also going to get to see the shirt that I'm printing. And the shirt that I'm printing is actually, it's going to be a print and cut shirt, and I have a video for that. I will try to link it up for you guys over here, I think. One of these sides, it's going to be on one of these sides. It's the left side, I believe. So you can click on that if you are interested to see how I do that. But I'll try to get parts of it, but I don't have long. Yeah, it's like 9:20. I have to have, she's supposed to be picking up around 10 o'clock, and I also have a live stream at 10 o'clock on the red channel. So yeah, we gotta move quick. All right, y'all. I'm cutting with my 15-inch cutter because as you guys know, I still haven't found the cord. I mean, I still haven't been able to get my other one to work, but I'm going to try to work on that soon because I actually contacted Roland and they sent me some information that hopefully will help me get that. Okay, so here is the design I'm going to be cutting out right here. And it's also going to have a back print, which is going to be the name. And I just cut the name out twice, you know, just to be safe. So I'm going to go ahead and line everything up for you guys. Alright, I printed this out with two different things, and man, I'm telling you, it was hard to find a pattern for the badge-a-minit printers. It seemed like that, you know, before I ordered this thing, I actually had downloaded some patterns for a different cutter, but it don't work with this one because it's not the same size. But yeah, I'm choosing which one is the brightest. So the one that I printed right here with the laser printer looks like it's going to be brighter, but this one that I printed with the same printer as what I printed the transfers with, you know, it just looks a little brighter. So I'm going to use the brighter one. And I'm going to show you guys in a minute how I cut this out. I'm going to go ahead and get this started right quick, and then I'm going to move over to the button maker. Okay, I came over to this side because it seemed like you could see a little bit better what I'm doing with the buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in down here. Alright, so right here, this is the size of the buttons right here that it's supposed to be. So my design is actually slightly bigger than what it's supposed to be right here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I do have a circle cutter right here, as you saw if you watched the other video, but I ain't never used it really, so I don't have everything just right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to cut this out. Let me see. I'm going to put this in the center, and I'm going to draw like a little outline around it, and I'm going to attempt to cut it out in the same way that this one, or the same size as that one. Let me grab a pencil. Okay, so I'm just gonna got that pretty much in the center as I can. It's pretty centered to me, so I'm gonna outline this. Draw the outlines. Might have worked better if I would have used that other thing, but since I started with this, I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, that's pretty much a thing right there. And I'm using these small scissors. Just feel like maybe Maybe I can cut it out better with the smaller scissors, more precision possibly. Longer time, more time, and more precision possibly, I guess. Because with the bigger scissors, I probably could have cut this thing out faster, but hey. So this is my first button. We're gonna see how it turns out. Bang! Got it out right here. And yeah, we got it pretty much the same size, so let go. All right, I got everything over here. As you can see right here, I have the Mylar sheet, the design, I have the button front or the button shield, whatever you call it, the back of the button right here. Okay, and I have the button press right here. You know, your girl opted out for the cheap one. And right here it comes with these these Jiffy instructions right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go online, because you know your girl don't really care to read, but I did read these a little bit earlier, and I did attempt to, you know, see if I could follow them, and they seem fairly simple. But I'm gonna go ahead and go online and watch the video. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and weed these this transfer paper over here. Hey, sometimes this take a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this and I'll check back in. Alright, I have everything weeded. This is the front design. Have two other names for the back, and an extra one over here just in case something don't go right. But hopefully we won't need that. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this over to the press. And while I'm waiting for the press to heat up, I'm gonna work on this button. Alright, I found the video. So I'm gonna go through. This one is shorter. I actually watched that first one. Yeah. Go ahead and watch these.
Today we're going to show you how to make a pin back button using the badge-a-minit hand press. Here's what you'll need to get started. A hand press, an assembly ring set, button parts including the front, pin back, and plastic cover, and your printed design.
Okay, flat surface, blue ring, tabs facing up. We got that right there. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can check it out. All right.
Place the plain metal button front into the blue ring with the sharp edge down. Next, place your artwork face up.
Boom. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up now, hold up now, hold up, hold up. Y'all going fast now. Okay, I got that like that. This is the top. Yeah, it tells you on here it's got top. So you want to put that as the top. And then put your design in here. Now, why I cut the design the same size as theirs, but my design act like it don't want to fit up in here. And I cut it out the same size as theirs. What's going on with that? But we're going to try it anyway. We're going to try it anyway. Even though it ain't fitting in there perfectly, hopefully they're going to fix it up.
Make sure the top of your artwork is centered under the blue tab labeled top. Keeping the blue ring on a flat surface, place the yellow ring in the blue ring.
Alright, yellow
Turn
ring.
the yellow ring until its tabs fit gently under the blue tabs. Never use excessive force to tighten the tabs together. If the tabs are too tight, the plastic cover may pull to one side, resulting in an unsatisfactory button. Turn the blue and yellow assembly face down. Put the purple ring.
Wait a minute. Did she say put the Mylar? Hold on. I gotta rewind it. Because I don't believe she said put the Mylar.
If the tabs are too tight, the plastic cover may pull to one side, resulting in an unsatisfactory.
Let me rewind it a little bit.
Make sure the top of your artwork is centered under the blue tab labeled Top. Keeping the blue ring.
She didn't even say nothing about the Maylard, did she? Let me.
Place the plain metal button front into the blue ring.
Okay, we did that.
Next, place your artwork face up, then add the plastic cover on top. Make sure the top of your artwork is centered under the blue tab labeled Top.
Okay, we got that.
Ring on a flat surface, place the yellow ring in the blue ring.
Okay, do that.
Turn the yellow ring
Turn the yellow
until its
ring.
tabs fit gently under the blue tabs.
Okay,
Never
so
use
there.
excessive force to tighten the tabs together.
All right, we
If
got
the tabs
that.
are too tight, the plastic cover may pull to one side, resulting in an unsatisfactory button.
All right, because we don't want that.
And yellow assembly face down.
Turn that face down.
Purple ring inside the blue ring.
Purple ring inside the blue ring.
Green ring on top of the purple ring.
Then put the
Place
green.
hand over hand and apply even pressure to press on the green ring.
I can't do that with my laptop, so.
And the downward movement stops.
All
Pick
right.
up the assembly and remove the green and purple rings. Leave the yellow and blue rings together.
All right.
Place the blue and yellow assembly
Hold up, hold
on
up.
the surface with the art.
Hold up, because my blue ring don't want to come out. Come on out. Purple ring. How you get this out? Let me see if I can get something and get this out. They ain't say nothing about. Okay, there you go. I got it. I got it. Okay. So we got that.
Work facing up. Place the red ring on top of the artwork with the circular.
Let me make sure I didn't miss nothing, because
Using hand.
I did have a little issue there. Okay.
Place the blue and yellow assembly on the flat surface
Okay.
with the artwork facing up.
Okay.
Place the red ring on top of the artwork with the circular depression facing up.
Okay, we did this part
Hand over
already.
hand as before. Firmly push straight down on the red ring until its downward movement stops.
Okay, we did
Do
that.
not remove the red ring. Holding the assembly firmly together, pick it up with one hand and turn it over. Make sure the pin is closed and place the pin back part with the sharp edge down inside the blue ring.
Uh-oh.
Sure the pin back
I think we done messed up.
inside
I think we done messed up. It said do not remove the red ring.
facing up.
And I removed the red ring.
On top of the artwork with the circular depression facing up. Using hand over hand as before, firmly push straight down on the red ring until its downward movement stops. Do not remove the red ring. Holding the assembly firmly together, pick it up with one hand
Okay.
and turn it over. Make sure the pin is closed and place the pin back part with the sharp edge down inside the blue ring. Be sure the pin back is not tucked inside the paper and plastic. Line up the pin.
Wait a minute. Look, y'all, I done already messed up. Let me rewind this. Look, I'm going to have to watch this video, and I'm going to do it, and I'll do another one off camera for y'all. Because I got to get this done. And it's time for my live stream, and I'm not even ready to go live right now. So, let me go on and watch this right quick.
Side, resulting in an unsatisfactory button. Made it easier to squeeze the handle
All right.
by placing it on a flat surface.
All right, so we got everything in order.
On the press.
The next thing they said to do is to press it down and everything. So let me go back just a little bit, because I have not pressed it yet. I want y'all to be right here when I press my first
On a
one.
flat surface. Remove
Okay.
the assembly from the press.
Turn this right here. Get this.
Made the perfect button.
Put it on here. Can it slide in there? Is it going to slide in there? Okay. It's sliding in there. So now, they said you can probably press it better right here. So, boom. Boom. Is it in there? Is it in there? Let me see. All right, we're going to take it out and see. What? Look at that. The girl did it right on the first try. Look at there. No mess ups on the edge, if y'all can see. Let me see. The girl did it right on the first try. So, boom. There we go. Hopefully y'all can see that. And it's straight and everything, y'all. It's straight and everything. It'll be on the shirt like this. Like this right here. Y'all see that? Boom. Your girl did it right on the first try. And some people like this was hard to do. But all right, I'm getting too excited. All right, I'm about to go ahead and press this shirt right quick so I can get on the live stream, because your girl gonna be a few minutes late on this live stream. All right, y'all. So I'm proud of my little button right here, but now I gotta get these shirts done. It came out pretty nicely for my first button. Let me know what y'all think down below. So yeah, it's 10:04. I got a missed call. Let me see who called me. I don't know who it was, but we're gonna go on with this shirt. All right, so right here we got this shirt. It's a size small youth shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press it and get the moisture out. There's the front. And look, this is what this part is looking like. Now I gotta put the back name on there. Alright, running behind this morning. So I'm gonna have to use this pillow right here. Print Squad, so here is the front design, here is the back name, and I'm gonna get a shot with the birthday button. So right here is the birthday button right here. Alright, so this is everything right here. My mom is actually going to she just wanted some ribbon and stuff on there, so my mom is going to put that on there for her. Yeah, so that's what everything is looking like. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both the green and the red channel. And remember, I do live streams every day on the red channel. I do live streams Monday through Friday at 10 o'clock or somewhere around 10 o'clock. Be sure to subscribe to both channels. Hit the notification bell on both channels. And also, if you're interested in any other products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check below the video for links. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at TshirtChickTV and join that Print Squad group. And I appreciate you watching. I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.